Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll be covering the last part of this module, which is or you'll not be able to get notification. And your team will have to message you again and again. So you have to click here on your profile, then go on preferences. It should be on. Now here you can put a keyword. This is the notification schedule that you should be paying attention to. Mode is that it will not send any notifications. You will not receive them. So make sure you change. Adjust itself, and you can put like a minimum on 30 minutes. So now this part is done and we can move to the next module.